Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are feeling comfortable and safe today.
Hi, everyone. I am feeling very comfortable. I am sitting on my favorite sofa in my favorite room wearing my favorite slippers. I never want to leave my house.
That sounds lovely, Sam. There is a famous saying in English, there is no place like home.
It is true. Home is where the heart is, and home is where the Wi Fi connects automatically.
Exactly. However, discussing where you live is one of the most common topics in English. When you meet someone new, you almost always ask, do you live in a house or an apartment? Do you rent or do you own? What is your neighborhood like?
And if you are moving to a new country, you need this vocabulary to survive. You need to know how to talk to a landlord, how to read a lease, and how to complain about a leaky faucet.
You don't want to accidentally rent a closet. You want a spacious apartment with a view.
So here is our blueprint for this architectural lesson.
Listen closely to the floor plan.
By the end of this video, you will be able to describe types of housing, from studios to mansions, talk about renting and mortgages, describe the interior and furniture, and complain about housing problems.
We are going to teach you the difference between house and home and help you navigate the confusing world of real estate English.
And we are using our special method, context first. We will let you listen to our house hunting struggles before we explain the vocabulary.
So grab your keys, wipe your feet on the doormat, and hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button if you have a dream house in your mind.
Let's get started together. Let's jump right into part 1, types of housing.
Not all homes are the same. A student lives differently from a millionaire.
In this first scene, Sam is looking for a new place to live. He is discussing the options with me. Listen for studio, 1 bedroom, detached house, and high rise.
Listen closely. I have expensive tastes, but a small budget.
Okay, Rose, I need your help. My lease is ending soon and I need to find a new place.
Exciting. What are you looking for? A house or an apartment?
Well, I would love a big detached house with a garden, but I can't afford that yet, so I'm looking for an apartment.
Okay. Are you looking for a studio or a 1 bedroom?
I think a studio is too small. I don't want my bed next to my kitchen. It makes my sheets smell like onions.
Good point. So, a 1 bedroom apartment. Do you want to live in a high rise building downtown?
I like the view from a high rise, but I hate the elevators. I prefer a low rise or maybe a duplex.
A duplex is nice. You get 2 floors. What about a shared house? You could have roommates to save money.
No way. I am done with roommates. The last one ate all my yogurt. I want to live alone.
Okay, 1 bedroom, no roommates, no high rise. I think we can find that.
Okay, Rose, I need your help. My lease is ending soon and I need to find a new place.
Exciting. What are you looking for? A house or an apartment?
Well, I would love a big detached house with a garden, but I can't afford that yet, so I'm looking for an apartment.
Okay, are you looking for a studio or a 1 bedroom?
I think a studio is too small. I don't want my bed next to my kitchen. It makes my sheets smell like onions.
Good point. So, a 1 bedroom apartment. Do you want to live in a high rise building downtown?
I like the view from a high rise, but I hate the elevators. I prefer a low rise or maybe a duplex.
A duplex is nice. You get 2 floors. What about a shared house? You could have roommates to save money.
No way. I am done with roommates. The last one ate all my yogurt. I want to live alone.
Okay, 1 bedroom, no roommates, no high rise. I think we can find that.
Okay, Rose, I need your help. My lease is ending soon and I need to find a new place.
Exciting. What are you looking for? A house or an apartment?
Well, I would love a big detached house with a garden, but I can't afford that yet, so I'm looking for an apartment.
Okay, are you looking for a studio or a 1 bedroom?
I think a studio is too small. I don't want my bed next to my kitchen. It makes my sheets smell like onions.
Good point. So, a 1 bedroom apartment. Do you want to live in a high rise building downtown?
I like the view from a high rise, but I hate the elevators. I prefer a low rise or maybe a duplex.
A duplex is nice. You get 2 floors. What about a shared house? You could. Once you find the house, you have to describe it. Is it nice? Is it ugly?
In this scene, Sam is viewing an apartment with a real estate agent, played by me. Listen for spacious, cramped, cozy, and airy. Welcome, come in. Take a look at this beautiful unit. As you can see, it is very spacious.
Spacious? You think so? To me, it feels a bit cramped. The ceiling is very low.
Ah, that's part of the charm. It's cozy. Imagine curling up here in the winter.
Cozy usually means tiny. And look at the windows. They are so small. It's very dark in here.
We call it mood lighting. But look at the kitchen. It is very modern and renovated.
The kitchen is okay, but the bedroom, I can barely fit a bed in there. I prefer something more airy with natural light.
Well, this is a fixer-upper. With a little paint, it could be a palace.
A fixer-upper? That means broken. I think I will pass.
Sam, you are a tough customer.
I know what I want. Let's look at the adjectives. First, spacious.
Spacious. This is a positive word, meaning it has a lot of space. It feels big and open.
The opposite is cramped.
Cramped. This is negative. It means too small. You feel like you cannot move. This room is too cramped for a sofa.
Then the tricky word, cozy.
Cozy. This means small, but in a warm, comfortable, and safe way. A cottage is cozy. A blanket is cozy.
However, real estate agents use cozy as a code word for very, very small, so be careful.
Then Sam wanted something airy.
Airy. This means it feels open with fresh air and high ceilings, usually lots of windows.
And finally, natural light. This is sunlight coming through the windows. Everyone wants natural light.
And the noun, fixer-upper.
A fixer-upper. A house that is in bad condition and needs repairs, fixing up, but is cheap to buy.
I am too lazy for a fixer-upper. I want a move-in ready house.
Let's move to part 3, renting versus buying.
This is the financial part, the headache part.
In this scene, Sam is complaining about money. Listen for landlord, tenant, deposit, mortgage, and utilities. So, did you find a place yet, Sam?
I found a nice apartment, but the rent is ridiculous. It's $2,000 a month.
Ouch. Does that include utilities?
No, I have to pay for electricity, water, and internet separately. It's a ripoff.
And what about the upfront cost?
The landlord wants a security deposit equal to 2 months' rent. That's $4,000 just to get the keys.
Maybe you should buy a house instead. Stop throwing money down the drain on rent.
I wish I could, but I can't get a mortgage. The bank says I don't have enough savings for a down payment.
Being an adult is expensive.
It is. I'm going to be a tenant forever.
Poor Sam. The rental market is tough.
It is brutal. Let's learn the money words. First, the people. Landlord and tenant.
The landlord is the owner of the house. The tenant is the person paying to live there.
Then we talked about utilities.
Utilities. These are the services for the house: electricity, gas, water, and internet. Are utilities included in the rent?
Then the painful part, the deposit.
The security deposit. This is money you give the landlord before you move in. If you break something, they keep the money. If the house is clean when you leave, you get it back.
Then Rose suggested a mortgage.
A mortgage, pronounced mortgage, silent T. This is a loan from the bank specifically to buy a house. You pay it back over 30 years.
And the idiom, throw money down the drain.
To throw money down the drain. This means to waste money completely. Many people think renting is throwing money down the drain because you don't own the property.
So are you a tenant paying rent or a homeowner paying a mortgage?
Let's move to part 4, furniture and decor.
Once you have the house, you need to fill it with stuff.
In this scene, Sam is moving in. He is deciding what to buy. Listen for furnished, appliances, coffee table, and wardrobe.
Okay, Sam, the apartment is empty. We need to go shopping.
I know. I thought it was furnished, but it is completely unfurnished. There is nothing here. Well, at least it has appliances. There is a fridge and a stove. That saves money.
True, but I need a bed, a sofa, and a wardrobe. There is no closet in the bedroom.
Okay, let's go to IKEA. We can get a cheap wardrobe. What about the living room?
I want a big L-shaped sofa and a nice glass coffee table, and maybe a rug to make it look cozy.
Do you have a budget?
My budget is as cheap as possible. Maybe we should look for secondhand furniture online.
Good idea. Let's furnish this place.
I love shopping for furniture, but I hate assembling it.
Those instructions are impossible. Let's look at the words. First, furnished versus unfurnished.
A furnished apartment comes with furniture, bed, sofa, table. An unfurnished apartment is empty.
Then we mentioned appliances.
Appliances. These are the big electrical machines: refrigerator, fridge, stove, oven, dishwasher, washing machine.
Then Sam needed a wardrobe.
A wardrobe, a tall piece of furniture to hang clothes in. In the US, built in storage is called a closet. If you buy a furniture piece, it is a wardrobe or armoire.
And the living room essential, coffee table.
A coffee table. The low table is in front of the sofa. It is for drinks, magazines, and putting your feet up.
Don't put your feet on the glass table, Sam. It will break.
Noted.
Let's move to part 5, problems and maintenance.
Houses break. Pipes burst. Neighbors scream. It is part of life.
In this scene, Sam is calling his landlord with a list of complaints. Listen for leak, drafty, mold, and maintenance.
Hello, Mr. Landlord? Yes, this is Sam from apartment 4B. I have a few issues.
What is it now, Sam?
Well, first of all, there is a leak under the kitchen sink. Water is dripping everywhere.
Okay, put a bucket under it.
A bucket? No, I need you to send maintenance. And also, the windows are very drafty. The cold air is coming in.
It's an old building, Sam. Wear a sweater.
And one more thing. I found some black spots in the bathroom. I think it is mold.
Mold? That is serious. Okay, I will send a plumber and a handyman tomorrow.
Thank you. Please fix it soon. I don't want to live in a swamp.
Your landlord sounds terrible, Sam.
He is the worst, but the vocabulary is useful. First, a leak.
A leak. When water escapes from a pipe or the roof. The verb is to leak. The roof is leaking.
Then I said the windows are drafty.
Drafty. This means cold air is entering the house through cracks in the windows or doors. This room is so drafty, I'm freezing.
Then the scary word, mold.
Mold. A fungus that grows in wet places, like bathrooms. It is usually black or green. It is bad for your health. We need to clean the mold.
And I asked for maintenance.
Maintenance. The work needed to keep something in good condition. You can call the maintenance guy or the handyman.
So check for leaks and mold before you sign the lease.
Now, before our giant review, we have a very important safety tip.
Yes, this is a grammatical nuance. House versus home.
House refers to the building. The physical structure is made of bricks or wood. I bought a house. The house has a red roof.
Home refers to the feeling or the place where you live. It is emotional. I am going home, not I am going house. This place feels like home.
You can point to a house. You live in a home.
Even if you live in an apartment, you call it your home. You don't call it your house unless it is a detached building.
So, let's go to my house, referring to the building. Let's go home, referring to the destination.
Got it. Home sweet home.
Now let's clear your mind and review in the vocabulary box.
Slow and clear. I see the word, Rose gives the definition.
Detached house. Definition: a house that stands alone, not touching neighbors.
Studio. Definition: an apartment with one main room for sleeping and living.
Spacious. Definition: large, open, plenty of room.
Cramped. Definition: too small, not enough room.
Cozy. Definition: small but comfortable and warm.
Landlord. Definition: the owner of the property you rent.
Tenant. Definition: the person paying rent to live there.
Deposit. Definition: money held by the landlord for security.
Mortgage. Definition: a bank loan to buy a house.
Utilities. Definition: services like gas, water, and electricity.
Furnished. Definition: comes with furniture included.
Appliances. Definition: machines like fridges and stoves.
Leak. Definition: water escaping from a pipe.
Drafty. Definition: when cold air comes inside.
Mold. Definition: a fungus growing in damp areas.
House versus home. Definition: a house is a building. A home is the feeling/place you live.
The box is full. Let's empty it.
Speed round, loudly.
An apartment with no separate bedroom.
Studio.
A house that touches no other houses.
Detached.
Adjective: very big and open.
Spacious.
Adjective, too small and tight.
Cramped.
The person you pay rent to.
Landlord.
The bank loan for a house.
Mortgage.
Electricity and water bills.
Utilities.
When water drips from the sink.
Leak.
When the cold wind comes through the window.
Drafty.
The black stuff in the bathroom.
Mold.
I am going blank, house or home.
Home.
You guys are real estate experts.
I am ready to buy my mansion now.
Now the speaking challenge.
Step 1. Pause the video.
Step 2. Answer this question out loud. Describe your dream house. Is it a city apartment or a country house?
Use the vocabulary. I want a spacious, detached house. I want a cozy studio in the city.
Step 3. Write exactly what you said in the comments.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Does your dream house have a pool?
Mine has a chocolate fountain.
Of course it does. Thank you for visiting our home today.
Keep practicing and make yourself at home in English. See you next time.
Bye.